Many caterpillars lack poisons. Instead, caterpillar seems to be one long dinner party. But death stalks the havoc fate, to be eaten alive and from within. The eggs hatch and the larvae develop on the caterpillar with lethal results. The caterpillar is turned into a nursery, and it's kept alive as fresh meat for the grubs. Even the chrysalis stage is vulnerable. The black marks show that parasites have taken over its body too. The days as an eating machine are over. The jaws are cast off and the caterpillar pupates, transforming into an adult butterfly within a chrysalis case. At least that's the theory. But once found by the parasitic wasps, its fate is sealed. Many different wasps will lay their eggs within this one chrysalis. Each egg will divide to produce 2,000 genetically identical wasps. So thousands. These lace-wing caterpillars have so far survived the predators and parasites. They finish feeding and are about to pupate. The old skin is discarded and the lacewing hangs beneath the branches of the plant it's just consumed. Of being eaten by immature caterpillars. Its pupation is a little more complex than most. First, it fixes itself to a branch by its tail. Once secure, it sets about weaving a girdle of fine silk threads, using its legs as a loom. This fixes the pupa securely to the stem. The girdle fits snugly between two body segments to take its weight. For a chemical defenses may have kept the caterpillar safe from predators, but they're useless against the drifting spores of a fungus. Even if pupation is successful, the butterfly can still fail to emerge correctly. It's a critical stage. Any delay will cause the wings to dry out and harden before they've been expanded. Such a crippled butterfly would be unable to fly and would soon die. Inside a healthy chrysalis, major changes are taking place. The soup of chemicals that made up the caterpillar's body is being reordered into what we know as a butterfly. Every species has its own unique pupa. Some are wonderfully camouflaged. Others glitter like jewels. Inside, the caterpillar's tissues are breaking apart into millions of living cells that can be reassembled into the new tissues of the adult. It's a miraculous Exactly how the process of metamorphosis is controlled is a mystery that may never be resolved. But every season has its survivors, individuals that manage to cross the bridge between two different lives. Starting out as greedy caterpillars, some emerge as adults of rare beauty, the supermodel stars of nature's catwalk. Butterflies are creatures of freedom and beauty, Their lives an endless symphony of colour and movement. They're engaged in a constant struggle to survive and breed, a battle whose outcome is always in doubt. But they're much more than just a means of getting around. Their shape and colour indicate sex and species, or warn a predator that the